Hi friends, my name is Shavik and you are watching Mathematics from Basic YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show how many distinct homomorphic images of the group S3 is possible. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Now let's go for the discussion. Okay, so the question says that we need to find the different homomorphic images of S3, but here the difference means up to isomorphism. Okay. So how to solve it? So let F is 3 to H. Some group H is a sum group, and let F is 3 to H be a homomorphism. Okay. So image F will be isomorphic to S3 by kernel of F by first rational theorem. Now we need to show that how many distinct image F are possible which are not isomorphic or non-isomorphic. Okay. So look, what will be the what are the possible kernels? Now, kernel is a normal subgroup of S3. Okay. Now, subgroups of S3 are only identity A3, S3. These are only subgroups of S3. Okay. And it is a normal and identity and S3 normal and A3 is normal since S3 by A3 is 2. So A3 normal in S3. Okay. So possible images are so kernel F will be either E or A3 or S3. Okay. So image F will be either S3 by E or S3 by A2 or S3 by S3. This is isomorphic to either S3 or Z2 or identity. Okay. So up to isomorphism, only 3 possible images. One is S3, another is Z2, another is singleton E. Okay. So we are done. So this is what we want to see in this video. Okay. So I hope you find this discussion quite useful. So let's end the discussion here. Before ending, if you find this content useful, then kindly consider like, share, subscribe, and comment. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Now, bye.